Hello, this is Mrs. Patterson, and this is homework help. This is for math. We are in Chapter 3, and this is Lesson 2. Lesson 2 has to deal with, or deals with, division and a different way of looking at division. Let's look at the worksheet that we have. You should have worksheet number 145 and 146. Now, first of all, and we've gone over this in class, but I want to talk about it again. When we look at division, we look at it as, in a sense, it's repeated subtraction. I'll show you what that means. Take the example they have here, 12 divided by 2. 12 is our dividend, and 2 is our divisor. And what we do is we repeatedly take the divisor out, and however many times we do that, that is our quotient. So we start with 12 and we take 2 away. Now we have 10 left. That's the first time we've done it. Now we take 2 away and we have 8. That's the second time we've done it. Now I take 2 away and now I have 6. That's the third time I've done it. Take 2 away from 6, you have 4. That's the fourth time. 5, the fifth time, we take 2 away. Now we have 2 left. And finally, 2 away from 2, we have none left, and that's the 6th time we've done it. We've done this a total of 6 times, so our quotient is the number 6. And let me show that in a different way. And we're going to take number 27, number 1, which is 27 divided by 3. And a lot of times when we taught kids before about division, I always would tell them to, you have your dividend and then you have your divisor, that I would take out groups of 3 as my divisor. So I take out 1 group, 2 groups, these are groups of 3, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups, 8 groups, 9 groups. So I have circled 9 groups of 3, so my quotient is 9. Well, by repeated subtraction, what they're saying is we are taking those groups of 3 out. So I subtract 1 group of 3. I subtract 2 groups of 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I took 3 out 9 times. So that's how they want you to understand that division is like a process of subtraction. So back to our worksheet, I reviewed the example here, 12 divided by 2, and then I did the 27 divided by 3. Although you could easily answer some of these questions without using repeated subtraction, I really want you to go through the process of repeatedly subtracting the numbers like this, or you can do it like the model I showed. Either way, whatever way is simplest and makes more sense to you. I will take both. And what's nice is there is a lot of room in the margins to write on these math pages, or you're welcome to use a lined or blank piece of paper and staple it onto the back. On the flip side, we have 3 essay questions. I'm going to go over the first one and just to kind of help you out. So, and another thing too, I want you to always notice it says my work over here. I really want you to use this scratch area, use this to help you understand a problem. All right, let's read number 10. A bag of 15 apples was shared among 5 boys equally. How many apples did each boy get? Now, so let's make 15 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've made 15 apples on my page. Now, it's not coincidence that I put them into 3 different groups, because you know what? In my head, and I know my multiplication tables, I know 15 divided among 5 boys equally is going to give me 3. But we need to know that anyway. we need to work out the problem, I mean. So a bag of 15 apples, here's a bag of 15 apples. We have 5 boys, right? We have 1 boy, another boy, 3rd boy, 4th boy, sorry, and then finally our 5th boy. He gets 3 apples, he gets 3 apples, this one gets 3, this one gets 3, and this one gets 3. So it's pretty good. If you like apples, each boy got 3 apples. These are the kind of things I want you to do to model pictures so that you better have a better understanding of what's being asked from you in the problem. Go ahead and try number 11, 12, and 13, and then we have a test practice here for number 14. Our bonus question today is, what is 18 divided by 2? Notice I didn't ask you to do repeated subtraction here. Just give me the answer.